In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a ball check valve and all of the components that go into making this valve. Let's get right into the video. Thank you for tuning in to Everything Valves, the channel dedicated to bringing you everything valves. If you enjoy the content, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get right into the video. This particular ball check valve is a 1-inch, 5,000 PSI carbon steel with stainless steel trim. This valve is pretty simple. It consists of a body, which is this piece here, and an adapter, which is this piece here. Ball check valves are unidirectional, which means they operate in a single direction, which means you must install it correctly. The way you can tell how to install it is the indicator located on the valve. This indicator shows you which direction you must install the valve. So you must install the valve with the flow moving this direction. The way this valve works is pressure comes in, pushing that ball right there up into this cavity here. So flow is passing through. And then when flow stops, this ball moves down and prevents any backflow. So we're going to go ahead and start to disassemble this valve and show you all of the internal components of it. So to disassemble this valve, we're going to start by moving our inlet protectors. These are just threaded in plastic caps. You can see there. This is looking through the valve. If I move it, you see the ball there. So now we unthread this adapter, which I've already used a wrench to loosen it. Now I'm just going to unthread. So here's the adapter. And looking down into the body, this is going to be your seat ring. So we're going to remove this seat ring by pulling it out. You want to be sure to pull it evenly so not to damage. Here's a better look at the seat ring here. So we're going to continue to pull that out evenly. See, it's starting to come out. So here is the actual seat ring. It's got a metal backing, and this right here is going to be a Viton or HNBR material. This area right here is the actual seat sealing surface. This is where the ball will create the seal. All this extra material doesn't affect the valve in any way. The main area is this lip right here. This is what creates the seal. So looking down in the valve now. So here's the ball. There, we're going to roll it out. So this is the actual ball. This is what the flow will actually push up or back down. So this ball and this seat will meet right here like so, and this will create the seal, preventing any backflow. As you can see there. Looking down into the valve, it's pretty simple. This is the ball guide. This is what makes the ball slide up into the top cavity here. So here's all the components that make up this valve. There's not a whole lot of parts to go over everything again. We're gonna have the body here. You have your adapter right here. And this is gonna be your ball and seat. This valve is easily repairable if there is ever a leak. The spare parts are usually composed of a new ball and a new seat like so. So if this valve was to ever leak, you would just need to get these two parts here to repair the valve. To reassemble the valve is pretty easy. We're going to take our body, make sure it's clean inside. We're going to take our ball here and drop our ball down into the body. As you can see, it goes up into the cavity here. Once the ball is in the body, we're going to take our seat, make sure that the sealing surface is actually clean and no debris. We want to make sure and inspect that there's no damage to the sealing surface. So now we're going to take the seat ring and place it in. I'm going to take it and push it slightly down evenly. We want to make sure to evenly press it. So now that the seat ring is in, we're going to take our adapter, make sure that the threads are clean, and re-thread it into the body. You want to make sure you torque this down according to the manufacturer's torquing specs to make sure it creates a seal and it doesn't leak at this joint. Once that's done, the valve is complete and ready to be installed in line. I hope this video was helpful in giving you an understanding of a ball check valve and all of the components that make up the valve. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed the valve content, please make sure you support the channel by liking the video. If you have any ideas for future videos, please make sure you comment down below. Thank you for tuning in to Everything Valves, and we will see you in the next video.